Those who have finished school education or still pursuing it must be familiar with sine, cos, tan, cot, shake, cosec, etc. In fact, many of us have struggled to master on these, isn't it? Still, one thing may not be known yet. We have studied many formulas on sine, cos, tan, cot, shake, cosec. But what do these 6 terms literally mean? Let us explain. First, take the word sine. The full spelling of the word sine is S-I-N-A. It originated from the Latin word sinus. The word sinus means curve. That is a line, not straight one. In 1593 AD, the word was used first with this meaning. Now, let we investigate the word cos. The whole English word is cosine. To elaborate a bit more, cosine is complement of sine. That is the complement of a curve. The word cosine first known to be used in 1635 AD. Thus, sine is a curve and cosine is a complement of the curve. Let's see the meaning of tan. The full English word for tan is tangent. From the Latin word tangere comes the word tangent. The word tangere means to touch. It was first used in mathematics in the year 1594 AD. The whole English word for the abbreviation cot is cotangent. Extended name is complement of tangent. The term cotangent made its appearance in the year 1635 AD. Secant is abbreviated as sec in trigonometry. It also comes from the Latin vocabulary. According to MERRIAM WEBSTER Dictionary, the first known use of the word secant seen in 1593 AD. The French word secante was derived from the Latin word secer. The English word secant is developed from the French secante. Secer means to cut or to intersect. So, the word secant means a line that intersects a curve at 2 or more points. And CSC is cosec or cosecant, or in broad sense complement of secant. The term comes to our knowledge in 1706 AD. So, sec is a line that intersects a curve at 2 or more points. And cosec is a complement to the line that intersects curve. Thus we see 3 among the 6 trigonometric ratios originally taken from the Latin vocabulary. And rest 3 are related to them. Hopefully, watching this video has created a clear idea in your mind. If you like the video, encourage us with a like. Thanks for watching the video to the end.